By changing any font, customize.
This is the main topic.
When you do this, a lot of money is waiting for you. Mastering how to customize a fonts in Adobe Illustrator. I will also tell you about all the tools used to change the font. There are many fonts that you can get for money. But when you replace them with yourself, they become yours. Thus, there is no copyright issue. And you can earn much better. Many simple fonts can be transformed into stunning, eye-catching designs with the right techniques. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how I took a very basic font and turned it into something truly beautiful. By applying various customization methods, you can elevate even the most unremarkable typefaces into unique and visually appealing logos. Join me as I walk you through the process, showcasing the tools and techniques that will help you make any simple font look extraordinary. So go to my channel HLGRAPHICS. My name is Homera Lake. First, we need a simple font as our starting point. The font I have chosen is Myriad Pro, known for its clean and straightforward design. This font is absolutely free and can be downloaded with ease. Keep it handy because it's a versatile and charming font that we will transform into something truly beautiful. Join me as we take this cute, simple font and give it a stunning new look that will elevate your typography designs to the next level. Here I've selected the letter D. We're going to create outlines and then we're going to align it to the center of the page. Next, we'll dive into the shape tool to add a touch of creativity. We're going to place a small rectangular piece on top of this letter, which will allow us to cut out a section and create a unique design element. Now select the shape builder tool and color we will choose red. This simple step will help transform our font, adding a custom flair that enhances its overall appeal. Watch closely as we use this technique to elevate the look and feel of our typography, turning a basic letter into a beautifully crafted piece. Here we will ungroup it and delete all the black part with the magic wand tool. Now we will only have the letter D in red color. From a distance it looks great, but if we look closer we can see a slight flaw that the line is not even. Here, we will utilize two essential tools to perfect our design. First, we will level this line using the direct selection tool, ensuring precision and accuracy. Next, we'll refine it with the smooth tool, achieving a seamless and polished finish. Notice how these simple adjustments transform our design, making it look flawless and complete. To maintain a high standard in your work, paying close attention to small details is crucial. It's essential to approach these elements with care and precision, avoiding any carelessness. Adobe Illustrator provides us with a plethora of tools that enable us to easily correct any flaws and enhance the overall quality of our design. Utilizing these tools effectively ensures that our work remains polished and professional. Now it's time to use the pencil tool. Here we make some changes. Double-click on the pencil tool. Some options will open in front of you. Alt key toggles to smooth tool. Click on this third option as well and then OK. Because of this, whatever lines you draw will be very smooth. Now start drawing a line from one corner of D with the help of pencil tool and rotate it back to the other corner and release. Now go to the Pathfinder, click on the divide and ungroup. This way the letter will be divided into several parts. Letter D has a small center part that we will select. We will go to Edit, we will click on Copy, we will go to Edit again, we will click on Paste and Back. Since the background color is white, we will also make this duplicate copy white. After that we will go to If Offset Path, where we will make this duplicate copy a little wider. And then we will expand it so that duplicate copy will be created. Here again we will use the Shape Builder tool. With the help of the Selection tool, you will capture all the designs and click on the Shape Builder tool. And we will select as much of the design as we need and we will delete the rest of the white part. In this way, we will have a design of red color in front of us. But here you can see that this design has a lot of flaws and the lines are not very straight. We will fix it now. We will unite this design so that all lineups are connected. But you can see that we are missing some places. So we'll use the pen tool to fill it. We'll be using both the pen tool and the smooth tool in this step. Watch closely as I demonstrate the process, you can follow along and do it too. By refining our design with the Smooth tool, we ensure that the final result is polished and visually appealing. This combination of tools will help us achieve a sleek and professional look for our typography. Now our design is ready for its close-up. Take a look at the presentation I have created in Photoshop, you're sure to love it. Here, I have customized and showcased the letter D, transforming it into a unique piece. Similarly, I have also customized letters A, B, and C, each with its own distinct style. You can see how each letter has been meticulously crafted and prepared for you, demonstrating the potential of these simple transformations.